guys, welcome to Code Bandit. In this tutorial, we'll study how to implement delegates in C Sharp and how to send data from one form to other using delegates by C Sharp language. So let us understand the flow, what we are going to implement. Now, for example, consider there are two forms. One is the parent form and another is the child form. Suppose you have to send a data from one form to other, then here is the flow between them. The first point in the flow is select the form whom you wish to send the data, who all are the subscriber to the notification. Now this point mentions the child form, the form where the data is to be received. Okay, so we have to subscribe to the notification in child form. The second step in the flow is this will make you to decide the type of parameter that you wish to send and to be used in delegates. Now guys, if you have to send the data, of course we have to know the type of data that we have to send. That may be list of string, that may be object, that may be list of object, an array, or a simple string. The third point in the flow is then it is necessary to decide which form will be sending notification, or it can be also said that who is the owner. So guys, now the parent form from where we have to actually send the data on maybe button click or a radio change event or anything. So this is said to be as the owner form from where we have to send the data. Now let us move towards this step, how it is to be implemented. So these are the steps. Step 1 says declare the delegate. It is simply declared by saying public delegate void some kind of name and then the parameter. Create the variable of a delegate. When you initialize the form, point or assign the method to the delegate and call the delegate. So guys, let us move towards our project and we'll see how these four steps are to be implemented. Now if you see here guys, this project delegates, I have already created a simple project and there are two forms in this project. First is the main form, which is right here before you, and second is the child form. This is the child form. Now what I'm doing here is when I click show form, child form will be before me, it will be shown. And if you check out the code of this button, so this is the code of the main form. No code is written, just on button click what I've done is created an object and I have shown it. That's it. So let us see the demo of this simple project. Now this is my form, this is in debug mode. When I click show form, this is the child form. That's it. Now the function that we have to implement using delegates is, now whenever we enter any text here and when we click on append, this text here should be appended in this form, and this is to be implemented using delegates. So let us move forward towards the implementation. So guys, the first step is to declare the delegate. So let us declare the delegate. Now this is the main form, or as I said, it can be also said as owner form. And this is how a delegate is to be declared. Public delegate void, and the name of our delegate is set text value callback. And guys, we have to set the string, so we have to set the string parameter, string str. So this is how we have declared the delegate, and the next step is to create the variable of the delegate. So let us create the variable public. The type of variable should be delegate, and then the name of our variable will be set text value. Okay, we have created the variable, and guys, now is the step to initialize this. Now we have to point it to the method. So that method is called as subscription in the child form. So let us move towards the implementation of subscription. So in the child form, we'll be implementing the subscription method to the notification. It is nothing but a simple method, public void set text, and here I'll be receiving string str bracket open close, and the label which I have placed here, the name is LVL label text dot text is equal to str. So this is how a subscription is to be written for the notification which will be sent from this main form. So now let us move towards this step. When you initialize the form, assign the method to the delegate. So we have written the subscription here in child form. Now we will assign the method to the delegate. So the object of child form is already created as in this button click event of show. Now what I will need to do is assign the delegate. So we use the variable and now we'll assign the callback. And here we'll be pointing to the function. Use the name form dot set text. So in this way we have assigned the subscription, and now in the main form when we click on append, that is this event, we have to pass string value from this text to the child form. So let us implement it here. So now we are implementing the fourth step in the slideshow. As you can see in the PowerPoint, call the delegate when required and pass the parameter. If you see this point, call the delegate when required, we require it when we click the button. So let's move further. This is the click event. Now we'll use this variable set text value, and this way you have to send the string, and the string will be which is in the text box. So text enter text, this is the name of my text box, and this way I will get the value, and we are sending this to this pointed function. Now let us debug it. So I'll put a breakpoint just for the understanding, and this is the subscription. So let us debug this. Now guys, as you can see that this is my main form. Now I'll click show form. Okay, so show form, child form is shown here, and as you can see that no text is appended. So by default the text is not appended. I'll write here something. So this is the simple text code bandit. When I click on append, so here is the breakpoint guys, the click event. So I'll go on pressing F10, F10, and guys you can see this is the child form, and this is the subscription that we have written, and here the text is appended. I'll click F5. So guys, as you can see that the text is appended from form 1 to this child form. I'll stop the debugging and we'll just check it out without debugging. Show form, this is our child form, and I'll just simply enter some text append. I'll enter other text append. So guys, this is how delegates are to be implemented and how the data from form 1 to other form can be sent. Now this can be done for one to one form or one to many form depending on your requirement. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Keep studying, keep enjoying. Good day.